Hey, good morning. I'm Jeff, the Director of Field Operations with SAM Construction. Okay, so this morning we're out here in Maricopa, Arizona with our concrete crew. Our concrete crew is pouring the first of 3 sections of concrete for the slab on grade. Today's pour is consisting of 400 yards of concrete. The 400 yards of concrete are going into a monolithic slab on grade and foundation detail, which will carry through the rest of the slab on grade. As you can see in the backdrop, our concrete crew has already finished going vertical with the first level of the elevator core and the stairwells. They will continue pouring with the slab on grade for the rest of the day today. Then simultaneously, we have our plumbing crew, which is working on the underground plumbing for the middle section, with our excavation crew working on the 3rd section with foundations and getting the slab graded. So that's today's plan. It's a milestone for today. We hit a big one with getting the slab on grade, which is our next step of going vertical, and we'll see you again.